To compute a multiple regression in Datadesk, choose Regression from the toolbar. Datadesk opens a window that invites you to drag a response variable here and your predictors here. We have measurements on 250 men, and the researchers who collected them were interested in predicting body fat, so we'll put that as the response variable. Now, we could predict body fat from our subject's weight, or maybe also from their height, or we might drag in a couple of variables together. There's our multiple regression. Now, once you have a regression, of course, you'll want to look at the residuals. Click on the hyperview here, and you can scatter plot the residuals. You may also want to remove variables from a model. Here, it looks like height wasn't all that significant in this model. Why don't we remove it? You can click on height and remove that as a predictor. And once you do that, you can update the plot of residuals. Oh, and one more thing. In a multiple regression especially, you may be interested in the influences of individual coefficients. For that, click on a coefficient, say the coefficient for neck, and you can make a partial regression plot for that coefficient. In this case, it suggests maybe there's one point out here that we're going to want to look at more carefully for its influence on the neck coefficient.